How to fix machine party is crashing. So first you want to go back to your library, right click on the game and open the properties. Now go to installed files and verify the game files. Once everything is validated, go back to general tab and the launch options, add -dx11 to the launch options box. Now you can close Steam and open up your browser. Now you will need to navigate to this link, which you can find below the video description. And from here, you will need to install the 86 installer for the redistributables and the 64, both of them. Once you finish this installation, it will require you to restart your computer, so make sure to do that. Next, you will need to update your GPU driver. So if you have an NVIDIA card, you will need this NVIDIA app installed. Then go to drivers. Check for driver updates and make sure to download and install the latest available driver update. Next, you want to start Steam as admin, right click and run as admin, and then just launch the game from your Steam library. And this should solve the crash problem. Thanks for watching and subscribe.